Hi dear children, welcome back to our computer class. How are you all? How? All are good and safe. In the last class we learned how to insert worksheet and how to delete a worksheet. Isn't it? Do you watch the previous videos? Do you study that portion? I think so. Everybody should watch the videos and write the notes in your notebook. Okay? Today we are going to the next topic. Let's begin. Our next topic is switching between worksheets. Okay. Microsoft Excel 2010 workbook has many worksheets that we already learned. Defaultly, it contains 3 worksheets. We can simply switch between a worksheet by clicking the tabs at the bottom of the worksheet window. By default, only 3 worksheets are visible on a workbook at a time. Okay. Yes. For that, click on the Sheet tab of the worksheet that we want to display on the Microsoft Excel 2010. Okay, which sheet you want to display, then you just click on that sheet name. Here we can see defaultly it contains 3 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Isn't it? Yes. Now it's we can see that or we can activate that sheet 1 worksheet. Here I am going to click on sheet 2. Look at this. Now we can see sheet 2. The selected worksheet become active and other worksheets are hidden behind. Okay. At a time we can see only one worksheet. When you click on that worksheet will be available or that worksheet will be active. Okay. Then other worksheets become hidden. Okay. The other worksheets are hidden behind. Next is renaming a worksheet. The default name of worksheets are sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, etc. Okay, we can rename that worksheet. How can we rename the worksheet? The Microsoft Excel 2010 worksheets are by default named as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and so on. We can also change the name of the worksheet. Okay, we can change the name of the worksheet. How can we change the name of the worksheet? First step, double click on the sheet tab of the worksheet whose name we want to change. I am going to rename sheet 2. I am going to double click on sheet 2 tab name. Look at this. The name of the active worksheet become highlighted. Can you see this? Now sheet 2 is highlighted. Okay. Next, second step is type a new name for your worksheet using keyboard. Okay, I am going to give hello. Okay, my worksheet name is hello. I typed hello there. Then press enter key. That's all. Okay, now the worksheet will be renamed. Now the name of sheet 2 is hello. Can you see this? Yes. Okay, the name of sheet 2 is hello. That's all. I am going to rename this sheet 3. For that, double click on that sheet name. Now it is highlighted. I am going to type a new name using keyboard. I am going to give hardware. Okay. Yes. Then press on enter key. Now it is renamed as hardware. The name of sheet 3 is now hardware. Got it? Yes. Next is selection of worksheet. How to select? We can select in different ways in a worksheet. First one is select a cell. Okay, we know that what is cell? Cell means intersection of a row and column. That is called a cell. How can we select a cell? For that, click on the cell we want to select. I am going to click on A1. Okay, cell reference name is A1. Just click on that cell. What will happen? Look at this. The cell become active cell. It is also displayed with a thick border. the selected cell will be displayed with a active border or thick border. Okay, the selected cell will be displayed with a thick border. Now it is active. Okay, how to select? Just click on the cell, which one you want to select. Then I am going to click on D1. Okay, just click on that D1. Now D1 is activate. Okay, that means it with a thick border. It is displayed with a thick border. That means that cell is active or select. Got it? Yes. Now, how to select a row? How to select a row? Click on the number of the row we want to select. Okay, I am going to select this third row. Okay, then click on the number of the row we want to select. The mouse pointer changes to an arrow mark. Can you see that? Right arrow mark, this one. Okay, yes, right dark arrow mark. Okay, that time, but you just click. That third row is now activated or highlighted. Can you see that? Yes. Okay, how to select a row? Click on the number of the row we want to select. The mouse pointer become a right to dark arrow. Okay, I am going to click on fifth row. What will happen? Yes, that row will be highlighted. Okay, yes, same as like that we can also select the column. How to select a column? Okay, how to select a column? Click on the alphabet of the column we want to select. We already said the columns are represented with alphabets, rows are represented with the numbers. Okay, yes, how to select a column? Which column you want to select, then click on that alphabet. Here I am going to select Dth column. Okay, this is the Dth column, D. Okay, then for that click on the alphabet of the column we want to select. The mouse pointer will change to an dark down arrow. Can you see that, this dark down arrow? That time you just click. That column will be highlighted. Got it? Then how to select this G, column G? For that click on the alphabet. Then that time the mouse pointer changes to dark down arrow. Then you just click on that alphabet. That column will be highlighted. Here now Gth column will be highlighted. Okay, now K. I am going to select K column, Kth column. That's all. You just click on that alphabet. That's enough. Okay. Then same as like that, I am going to select the C column, Cth column. Just click on that alphabet. That's all. Okay. Got it? Yes. Next, select a group of cells. How to select a group of cells? Place the mouse pointer over the first cell from where we want to start selection. Okay. Here we already said how to select a group of sentence or a group of text. For that we did what we did. You just click and drag. Here the same process. You just click and drag from where or from where till where. That's all. That's got it. That group of cells will be activated or highlighted now. Got it? Yes. Place the mouse pointer. Here I am going to place the mouse pointer over the first cell from where we want to start selection. Then drag the mouse until all the cells we want to select, that cells are highlighted. Got it? Yes. So everybody should watch this video again and again. Okay, let's wind up. Thank you, dear children. Have a nice day. Bye bye.